Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your PIN code on the Edge application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Edge Wallet application on your device and log into your account if you haven't done so already using your username or your password or your PIN code and your biometrics if you have set it to use. Once you are logged into your account, you will be taken into this homepage from where you can see all of your assets. Now, if you wish to change the PIN code that you use to log into your account, then go ahead and tap on the menu icon at the top right corner, and then this will open up the menu page. From this page, tap on Settings, and now you will end up within the Settings menu. Now, from the Settings menu, if the options to change your PIN cannot be tapped, then you will first need to tap on the first option, which will be saying Tap to unlock account settings. After you tap on this option, you will be asked to enter your password first. After entering your account password, the change PIN option will now be able to tap. Go ahead and tap on this option, and now you will be asked to enter the new PIN code that you wish to set for your account. Simply go ahead and type in the desired new PIN code and tap on the Done button. And now as soon as you do this, you will get a message telling you that your PIN has successfully been changed. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your PIN code on the Edge Wallet application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.